It's showtime.
So, what we're going to do is fit this piece here. What this is going to do is give you a side stand, bigger surface area. Comes from China. You get the bolts.
Looks good. I'm just going to vote for that one, and the reason I'm going to vote for it is because if you had it the other way around, there'd be a piece of metal sticking out. Pieces of metal sticking out any further than they need to be in your motorcycle can't be a good thing, but I don't know. Whoa. Made in China.
Yeah, I think they fucked up the dimensions.
Or your side stand isn't perfectly flat because it's head use. That's a good point.
What I'm going to do is put some loctite inside the threads. But eat this stuff squidgy. You want as a can. So this really is experimentation. So you screw these in. What these washer pieces are going to do is hold this onto your side stand. It's pretty cool.
The reason he's adding this to his motorcycle is because now that summer's upon us, he ends up parking on hot tarmac and sometimes on grassy areas, and in the past his motorcycles have been known to sink into them. So the theory behind this is just to give his side stand a larger surface area, and we'll just see if that helps throughout the summer.
Just tighten these up until as good as it's going to be. Wow, that's fascinating. And the shape's not going to be how your side stand's going to go into this. It's not going to be perfect. Your side stand's had use, so it's going to be a little bit bent. So tighten up as best you can. And you're happy.
Well, we know there's plastic ones that you can put under your side stand, but people end up nicking them. So at least this one will be attached to the motorcycle. Less chance of it being nicked anyway. More chance of it falling off, because it's made of metal.
Made in China! Jeez! No offense to you guys, but seriously, could have done better. Unless it's tucked away, I would imagine I could lean and not have to worry about balance. I'd hope. I'm happy these are as tight as they're ever going to be. One thing worth doing is using loctite.
The way we...
The little rascal has fluid. As was it?
This is the end of the trail for me.
Thank you.
Thank you, kid.